Hi guys, it's another episode on Sure Gold that is sponsored by Goldminearoma. How are you all doing? It's been a while. I hope you enjoy all your meals that we've been posting out to you here. I'm always there to answer all your questions, just post them or private chat me. We gotta talk, So today we are going to make another nice meal just like we always do. This is just chicken and egg, what do I call it? Call it chicken and egg pizza form. All your shade of proteins and little veggies, which is tomato. So this is chicken breast diced. I put a little bit of habanero, that is a bonus scotch in it, just for a kick. Then my seasoning, I've already put my soup seasoning, all those Sure Gold seasoning, goldminearoma, goldminearoma seasoning. This is my cheese, mozzarella cheese to be precise. This is my parsley chopped, washed and chopped. This is my tomato, diced tomato, and this is my sour sauce. I just want to mix the sour sauce with my egg mix so that at least to form a very nice taste. And this is my eggs. So let me pour this on the stove now. While the chicken is cooking, this is my sour sauce. Put it in a very low heat so that it can be cooked evenly. So guys, we want to pour it now into our pan. All right guys, this is Sure Gold, where food always comes exciting. Guys, please give it a name. Oh, David said this is dancing pizza. Awesome. So guys, give it a name where all your proteins comes alive with a glint, with a pinch, with a hint, with a hit of veggies, and your cheese. So guys, like, shares, subscribe please, and push the notification button so that anytime we upload new videos, you will always be notified, guys. Thank you very much for always tuning in. We love you. See you in another video. Bye.